What if I told you the next blockbuster movie won't need a camera crew, $1 million budget, or even a director? All it takes is one sentence, one idea, and artificial intelligence will bring it to life. This isn't a scene from Black Mirror, this is real. Right now, tools like Runway ML are giving everyday creators the power of an entire Hollywood studio with just a prompt. Movies made in minutes, characters created from thin air, voices cloned, faces resurrected. This isn't just the future of filmmaking, it's a revolution. But with great power comes serious consequences. This is the story of how AI is taking over the movie industry, and what it means for the future of art, entertainment, and reality itself. All right, now imagine this. You sit at your desk, open up Runway, and type a simple prompt. A sci-fi battle on Mars. That's it. Within seconds, the scene comes to life. I'm talking flying spaceships, laser blasts, dust storms on a red planet, the whole deal. No film crew, no green screen, no special effects team. Just you, your imagination, and an AI that does all the heavy lifting. Let's say we want a 1920s gangster scene. I can type my prompt here. 1920s gangster scene with men in suits and fedoras, vintage cars, Tommy guns, and a dark, smoky atmosphere. Now, hit generate. As you can see, the result is incredibly impressive. These kinds of scenes can take hours or even days to create manually. Runway offers 4 powerful AI models to choose from. First, there's Gen 3 Alpha, a major step forward in visual realism and motion control. Then comes Gen 3 Alpha Turbo, designed for faster results without compromising on detail. Gen 4 takes things even further, offering the most consistent and controllable outputs yet. And at the top of the line is Gen 4 Turbo, Runway's fastest, most efficient model, perfect for creators who need both speed and cinematic precision. Believe it or not, AI isn't just a futuristic concept. It's already reshaping Hollywood. Take, for instance, the film Here, directed by 𝐬𝐻𝐫𝐸𝐿. This $50 million production utilized AI to de-age actors Tom Hanks and Robin Wright across a 60-year timeline. The technology, developed by Metaphysic, allowed real-time facial transformations during filming, eliminating the need for extensive post-production work. Similarly, in Furiosa, a Mad Max saga, AI played a pivotal role in blending the facial features of Anya Taylor-Joy and child actress Elijah Brown to depict the characters aging seamlessly. The film also used AI to recreate the likeness of the late actor Richard Carter for his character, the Bullet Farmer. Moreover, AI-generated movie trailers are gaining traction. Creators are using tools like Runway and Sora to produce trailers that are so convincing they often fool viewers into thinking they're official releases. For example, fan-made trailers for non-existent films like Avengers Doomsday have garnered significant attention online. In July 2024, filmmaker 𝐬𝐿_𝐫𝐿 released Dread Club Vampire's Verdict, the first fully AI-generated animated feature film. Crafted entirely using AI tools for visuals, voices, music, and editing, the film was produced on a modest $400 budget and went on to win Best Animated Film at the Kraken International Film Festival. Another notable example is The Dog and the Boy, a short anime released by Netflix Japan in early 2023. The film utilized AI-generated background art, created with tools akin to Stable Diffusion and Midjourney, to address labor shortages in the anime industry. While AI is transforming filmmaking, many see it as a threat to creativity and jobs. In 2023, the SAG-AFTRA launched a 118-day strike over studios' plans to scan background actors' faces for permanent AI use without consent or pay. The controversy didn't end there. In 2024, they extended its strike to the video game industry, protesting against companies like Activision and Electronic Arts. The union, demanded protections against the use of AI to replicate voice actors' performances without consent, highlighting the growing unease about AI's role in creative professions. Deepfake technology has also raised alarms. Actress Scarlett Johansson confronted OpenAI over its ChatGPT voice assistant, 𝐃𝐨𝐧'𝐭, which bore an uncanny resemblance to her own voice. Although OpenAI denied any intentional mimicry, the incident underscored the ethical dilemmas surrounding AI-generated likenesses and the potential for misuse. The rise of AI in filmmaking presents a paradox. While it offers unprecedented tools for creativity, it also poses serious questions about authorship, compensation, and the very essence of artistic expression. As AI continues to evolve, the industry must grapple with balancing innovation and the rights of human creators. Visionaries like James Cameron and Netflix co-CEO Ted Sarandos are at the forefront of this transformation. Cameron, once cautious about AI, now sees it as a tool to halve the costs of producing large-scale films. Sarandos, on the other hand, emphasizes AI's potential to enhance storytelling quality by 10%, making advanced visual effects accessible to smaller budget projects. However, this technological leap comes with concerns. Critics argue that AI-generated content may lack the depth and nuance of human-created art. The term AI slop has emerged to describe low-quality, mass-produced AI content that floods digital platforms, potentially diluting the richness of human storytelling. As AI continues to evolve, the film industry stands at a crossroads. Will AI serve as a tool that empowers creators and enriches storytelling? Or will it lead to a homogenized landscape devoid of human touch? So what do you think? Will AI filmmaking revolutionize the movie world or erode its human essence? AI can be a great help, but it can also be scary. On this channel, you'll find all the information and inspiration you need. So, if you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, hit like and subscribe for more insane AI breakthroughs.